So, all right, so let's say that I want to buy a restaurant franchise, pretty popular one, but there are a few locations here in Birmingham that are available, and I want to go for it. All right, so what do I need to do? Where do I start?
That's a good question, really, because the franchisor, by law, is required to give what we call a franchise disclosure document. It's like like a prospectus for stock, or a truth in lending statement in real estate.
Sure.
So there's a number of categories of information that the franchisor must disclose in that document. So the starting point is getting that disclosure document and then going to an attorney that understands franchising and knows what to look for, where the skeletons might be, what the investment might be. Having written a lot of franchise agreements, I know what franchisors will negotiate, because there are certain areas that they just will not negotiate, but there's some areas that they're free to negotiate in. So that's the starting point right there, is getting that disclosure document and then getting with a good franchise attorney.
Yeah, so I guess if you get that franchise agreement and you're not a lawyer and you're just trying to get into the restaurant business, I mean, you could really get on the hook for something that you're not prepared for.
Oh, no question about it. When you get when you get the franchise documents, they're usually a couple hundred pages in length, and they're all legally. So, as an individual, unless you're totally familiar with the legal system, you could get on the hook, and bad. So you need to know up front what you're getting into and make sure that your investment is the kind of investment that will make the return that you feel like it should make. And part of that involves going through the exercise of due diligence and talking with franchisees that are in the system right now.